Welcome to our presentation on decision-making and confidence building for students. Today, we'll explore essential tools that can help you achieve academic and personal success. Welcome, everyone. Today we'll explore how students can make better decisions and build self-confidence to succeed both in academics and in life. We'll cover strategies, examples, and practical tips to empower your journey. Decision-making is the process of choosing between alternatives. As students, we face decisions every day. Which subjects to study, how to manage time, and even who to collaborate with. Making informed decisions is key to achieving your goals. Every decision, big or small, shapes your academic and personal life. Good decision-making leads to greater success, while poor choices can have long-term consequences. In school, we constantly choose between various paths, and each one has a different impact on our future. There are different types of decisions. Routine decisions like choosing what to wear, major decisions like deciding on a career path, and group decisions like collaborating with peers on a project. Each type requires a different approach. Good decision-making follows a process. Identify the problem, gather information, evaluate alternatives, make a choice, and review your decision. This structured approach helps in making the best possible choice. Confidence is the belief in your ability to succeed. Building self-confidence starts with believing in yourself and practicing positive thinking. Students who are confident are more likely to take risks and make better decisions. Here are a few tips to boost your confidence. Set achievable goals, practice positive self-talk, learn from mistakes, and use confident body language. These strategies can help you gradually build your self-assurance. Fear and self-doubt are common barriers to making confident decisions. However, overcoming these challenges is possible through practice and patience. Understanding that failure is a part of the learning process helps reduce fear. Peer influence is powerful, but it can sometimes cloud your decision-making. While it's good to seek advice, remember that the ultimate decision is yours. Stay true to your values and goals when making decisions. Good decisions today pave the way for a successful future. Every choice you make, whether it's in academics, personal relationships, or career planning, sets you up for the next phase of your journey. Conclusion and key takeaways. Remember, 1. Making informed decisions is essential to your success. 2. Confidence is built through practice and self-belief. 3. Every decision is an opportunity to learn and grow. Example: start making better decisions today, and watch your confidence and success increase. Thank you for your attention. I'd love to hear your thoughts and answer any questions you might have. Let's discuss how these strategies can be applied to your personal experiences. Thank you for being here today. Remember, decision-making and confidence are skills that improve with practice. Best of luck on your journey.